Hello and welcome to Huson DIY, my name's Ben. In this video we're checking out this leveler from Duratech. Okay, as I mentioned, we've got this leveler from Duratech. This is a 12-inch or 300mm magnetic torpedo leveler. So for scaffolding, smaller jobs really, can maybe putting picture frames on a wall for example, smaller jobs like that, obviously with a 12-inch or 300mm size. Okay, let's just check out the level first of all. Let's get it outside of the box. Let's have a look at it. So we've got a user manual of some degree with it, and then we've got the actual leveler itself. Okay, so funky colour. Got a nice blue colour from the Duratech company. So Duratech do other levels, much bigger ones, obviously for different purposes, different requirements. As I mentioned, this is a torpedo leveler. It's got the different angled kind of levels in there. So we've got the diagonal one, we've got the vertical one, and the two horizontal ones as well on there. We've also got some peak holes there, so you can see from above if things are level, which is really, really key, just for getting the levels at a different angle. I think the magnet runs across down the bottom there, so obviously you can stand this on scaffolding, on a ladder, wherever you've got a metal surface, obviously to magnetise that onto. So what we'll do, let me just get some close-up footage of it. There's not much we can really do with it here, obviously, other than just put it on the table and make sure my table's level. And then we'll use it in the garden. I've got doing some decking at the minute. I've got a planter build going on at the moment, and there's some sections where I need to make sure things are level, some smaller sections as well. I'll get some footage of it in use, and then we'll do a summary at the end just to confirm our final thoughts. Okay, all done now with the Duratech Torpedo Leveler. Really, really useful. Really nice size in terms of gripping it in the hand. Obviously got the magnetic surface on there for scaffolding and other similar kind of tasks like that. We've got multiple kind of levels going on, different angles, etc. The peepholes are really useful there when you are at a certain angle. Just being able to see through rather than having it go down the side. Really useful for getting the level. You've got the two hooks as well, or the hook hole, sorry. So you can hook things on into a workshop, for example, onto the wall. Keep things nice and tidy. They're built into the actual unit itself. So nice and solid, nice solid unit, that plastic nice and rigid. It take a drop or two I think, or maybe three. So yeah, super useful. The Duratech do a full range of different tools and accessories, etc. This is just a torpedo leveler, as mentioned a few times now. So hopefully you've enjoyed the video, it's at least been informative. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike. Any questions about the leveler, any questions about anything at all, drop it in the comment section. I will reply to all questions and comments. And if you want to follow the Huson DIY channel for more product reviews, tech reviews, and much, much more, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.